So the biggest aha moments we have is where businesses or the management, this is senior management, sit back and realise that they can set a goal or a vision. That's the first thing. Hey, let me set a vision or a goal, strategy, long-term objectives that can be achieved. Second thing is to achieve that, it's about taking the hands off the wheel a little bit to give people freedom to grow, to deliver on those goals. So it becomes a passing the baton or passing the ball type concept of saying, here's the goal, this is where we're heading to, that's what I'd like to achieve. Let's establish the team to do that.
It's only probably happened in the last 2 sessions, but starting to clearly define my role. In the first couple of sessions, we really worked on his role, and I kind of felt like, I'm still not really sure what I'm doing. But I think even just in today's, I really defined my role, and we've kind of also at the same time defined our roles moving forward, so we know which ones we've got to get rid of. We've got an understanding of who we need to implement now or soon to take a bit more pressure off us moving forward.
Probably just freeing up Chris and my time, that he can do the things he enjoys at work and leave the things he doesn't enjoy for someone else who may find it enjoyable, so that he has the freedom and flexibility to, if we want to go on holiday, we can, and the place isn't going to be burning when we come back.
I mean, we can see a path forward now.
And we're starting to implement some of the stuff we've learnt from you guys.
And we're on a similar page now as well, I think, whereas before it was a little bit, I was doing this business development, he wasn't really getting as involved in it, and we'd kind of half doing things here and there, but I think we're kind of united in where we're aiming at the moment, which is really good.